Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here, and today I want to mention that Crypto.com just launched credit and debit card top-ups available for the United States for the Crypto.com Visa debit cards. So this means that you can go to your card tab in the bottom right of your app and click top up, and you'll see a crypto option and then your fiat wallet option, and then you will also see a credit card option. Now, this does say that for a limited time, cardholders can enjoy 0 fees when topping up with a debit card. So that kind of worries me that there's a 0 fee limit, like for a limited time. I think a debit card top up should just ultimately be 0% fees. And they do say that if you are going to use a credit card, then a 2.99% fee will be charged for credit card top ups. Now, one thing though about United States card top-ups like this, it is direct to the Visa debit card, so that may actually be a benefit that we might not have to worry about. This, what I'm about to say though, is when you buy crypto through the Crypto.com app and you use a debit card, usually you're charged an international fee, at least in the United States. I know one time I used a debit card and I got charged international fee. So hopefully that's not the case when topping up onto the debit card directly. I know the debit card is issued by Visa, and then all the transactions and the purchases are done through the Visa network. So hopefully that will avoid that fee, because it's not going to the fee and the charge and everything is not going to Crypto.com. It's going to Visa or whatever for for the card. You know, as they said, it just added an added feature with the crypto wallet and fiat wallet with ACH or bank wire transfers as well. So this is really cool. It's really simple. Like I said, it's literally just in the bottom right of the app. Click on card and then click top up, and you'll see it. It's like the in the middle out of all three of them, and there's even instructions right here. I will probably ask either to customer support or somewhere in the Discord, asking about what will the fees be for the debit card and when will the fees for the debit card top-ups come, because the only thing that really worries me about it is the limited time, like for how long, you know, and I just don't think debit cards should have any top-up fees at all. Now, second, in this video, I just want to mention that a second mystery box launched for Crypto.com, you know, $10 per box, and there was, I think, 10,000 mystery boxes, and I sadly did not get in for $10 a box. I did buy one for $40, or actually $39 to be exact. So I'm excited to see what I get from that. Hopefully the box I rebought that was sold to me for like 4 times the amount, hopefully I actually get a good deal, and hopefully I can laugh in the person's face who sold it to me, because he could have got that good deal on that edition of the box. But yeah, you can win up to 6,000 Dogecoin or an exclusive Shib or Doge NFT. And personally, if I win any Dogecoin or Shiba Inu tokens or anything like that, if it's a large enough amount, I'll just easily convert it to probably like Bitcoin or CRO or Crow or whatever, one of those. And yeah, so I'm excited to open this mystery box for you guys. So it looks like the drop time ends the 16th, and the owners of the mystery box on July 23rd will receive the reward in the Cryptocom app wallet. Okay, so it might happen automatically, or the Crypto.com account for NFT rewards by August 6th. Okay, well, I'll let you guys know what I win if I'm not able to manually click to open it, because I did not get into the last giveaway or the last mystery box, and it, you know, I think the cheapest was like $100 for a box, and I was not going to pay that. The most I would pay is like 4 times the amount, like $40. So looks like this is the drop rewards. NFT is only one, probably is 20%. So yeah, this is pretty cool. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future content like this, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.